How to fix Discord Quest video not loading. Hey everybody, if you're also having the same issue on Discord, you may follow up this step. First of all, head over to Discord application, open it up, and once you open it up, you need to be logged in into Discord. If you're not logged in, you can use your credentials in order to log in. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding this home interface. Now what you may do is you may just head over and look out for You tab in the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on it, and open up your account. And from here, locate up the settings icon at the top right, tap on it, and open up your settings. Now from here, what you may do is you may scroll down until you reach over the payment settings available. Right there, you will be finding Quest option, tap on it. And once you tap on it, here if any quest is available, you can find this option called Accept Quest, and you can just go ahead and accept the quest from here. But when you reach over here, if there is no such kind of options available, what you may do is you may update your application to the latest version. For that, head over to device's Play Store or App Store, and after that, go to the search, and you can directly search for Discord here. And once you are there, you may just go ahead and update your application Discord to the latest version available. If there is any kind of update available, you can look out for update option and make your Discord to the latest version. Even if this is not solving the issue, then the another method you can follow up is you can long press on Discord and look out for install option, tap on it, confirm it, and then again go in and reinstall it from your device's Play Store. And that's it. So these are the solutions you may follow up if your Discord Quest video is not loading. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.